What's good, boys? Welcome to a trade recap. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I'm just going to do the one for today because I don't know. I don't know why I'm doing one for today and not the last 2 days. Anyway, this has been like the best last 7 trading days. I literally have not lost. So I am, having literally the best trading of my life. But we're not going to jinx it. We're just going to act like nothing's happening. And I'm probably going to do another video about, how good my trading's been and talk about that later. But anyway, so today caught this little trade. Just basically, this is going to be the quickest trade recap you've ever seen. Literally, we come into open. We dump about, we dump maybe 30 points. And then we get this white candle. And boom, boom, boom. Basically like 2 or 3 pullbacks the whole leg. And we just pump up like 300, 400 points. And ironically enough, I actually catch the very end of this move. Because the problem was, there's no trade. And if you say there was, then I think you're lying. There's literally no trade. There's no reason to get in a trade, in my opinion. Sorry, I got like allergies a little bit. For 160 points, or also 30 minutes. There's just no reason. This whole stretch right here, there's no reason to get in a trade. So basically, you just had to wait for a pullback or a reversal. I was honestly looking for a reversal. I was looking for this 5 minute. What the heck? I was looking for one of these 5 minutes to get inversed, which we literally have inversed all of them. But I was looking for this 5 or this. No, this is 15. But I was looking for this 15 minute to get inversed. Oh, sorry. I was looking for this 5 actually. Originally, I was looking for this 5 to get inversed on the 1 minute, and we come down. We wick into it. Before this wick got eaten up, I was like, oh, okay, shorts look pretty good. Might take it. Inverse if I get entry, just, we've been pumping all day. We're due for a reversal. So I was going to take it, but we just never got the close. So if we didn't get the close, don't take the trade. And then the next candle, boom, big engulfing. I was like, all right, this is the most obvious continuation setup. Literally just entered longs on the closed, had a little drawdown, so did like a 25-point stop, and targeted 40 points on this. You might be like, okay, why did you get out there? Ironically, the reason I got out here, because it looks like, that's so insanely lucky. I literally got out at high day. But the reason that I got out here, ironically, is because there's a consistency rule on the Tradeify funded accounts, which, the consistency rule is fine. It's whatever. But there's a consistency rule. And basically to match my consistency rule, I couldn't make more than $1,800 per account in one day. And so I targeted $1,800. My full TP was this right here. It was this high, which got edged really bad. And a lot of people in my stream did get edged from this. But I didn't, because luckily enough, the consistency rule literally saved me. Because if not, I would have gotten stop break even. So call it lucky. It probably is, but it's fine. I did get stop break even on some other accounts, but on my Tradeify accounts, up $1,800 per account. So I am up around 7 point total. All accounts, I'm up like, I don't know the math, bro. I just did it earlier, but around 7 racks. So, pretty good. And yeah, that's pretty much the trade recap. Literally just longs all day, and then shorts all day after. Just whichever, as long as you didn't short here or long here. As long as you did short in this leg and long in the second leg, you're good. Because yeah, that was pretty fun day. You gotta love days like this. You gotta love like these V days, bro. I'm gonna start calling them V days. Maybe someone already calls them that, but these V days are really nice. It's just a big old V in one or the other direction. It's like free bread, so cool. But yeah, and I stream this live on Twitch every morning for completely free. So if you would like to join, click the link in the description and hit the follow button. Live literally every single morning, and make sure to use code CRV. 30% off all Tradeify accounts, not just instant funding. Instant funding is what they're known for, but also their normal funded accounts, which are very affordable, end of day drawdown, not live trailing, and no activation fees. So, and they're all under $100. So go check them out. Use code CRV for 30% off as well. So yeah, get yourself some Tradeify accounts. I love the Tradeify accounts I'm on. I think they're so sick. The instant funding is super cool, and not a lot of people do it. Actually, I think Tradeify is the only people that do it, and that's why they're the best. So go use code CRV at Tradeify, and I'll see you tomorrow in the Twitch live stream 9:30. And yeah, go check out everything else in the description if you're just looking for more stuff. I got merch down there, some like funny trading shirts, got some other stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow 9:30 in the live on the Twitch, twitch.tv/CRV Trades. See y'all boys. Peace.